How y'all doing? YouTube, everybody. So I was watching a video last night, Magnus Anderson on YouTube, and he was showing a tool that somebody had told him about to help sharpen his Victorinox pocket knife. Said he was having a hard time, keeping it sharp and stuff like that, and that this tool he didn't think about, I guess, had really helped him out. And it got me to thinking, I generally just do mine on my ceramic rod, freehand, and or I just tune it up a little bit on a leather strop with some green compound. And but when I saw the tool that he had, using it, to sharpen his blade, I thought, I've got 2 or 3 of those, not maybe the exact same one, but similar. And I always just kind of considered them, little throwaway gimmick type deals. Never really put too much thought into them, even though I had used them, I don't know, never really cared for them that much. And so I went and dug them out. Thought I'd kind of show you. I only got like 2 or 3. One of them is completely different, but so this one right here is a Smith's. See, it's got carbide up here. It's got the little diamond rod right here that flips out. And as you can see, there's a screw right here. You can take this out and replace those. Also, it's got a little ferro rod right there. A tufted titmouse just flew up over my head. Comment down below if you know what a tufted titmouse is. Then I've got this Camillus. A lot of you've probably seen these. It's got some tools on it, star tips, whatever, on all 4 corners. Let's see if I can show you that a little bit better. See them right here on each corner, and then right there, got a little flat head. And you got ceramic right here, and as you can see, right here you got ceramic and the carbide, and also carbide here. Gerber. But it's just got a couple of rods, and then you got ceramic and carbide. And that's a pretty good little tool. I generally keep this one in my tackle box for fishing. And then the other thing I've got is just a diamond rod that I apparently have forgotten how to use right there. So I thought what I would do is one of these 3. Comment down below which one you think I'm gonna pick. One of these 3, I'm going to use the ceramic pull through to sharpen my Victorinox Farmer. And let's just see how it does. Which one do you think I'm gonna choose? Not that one. Oh no, Bear Grylls just fell off the mountain. Let's try this Camillus. My Victorinox Farmer. Also, as you can see, it's got arrows showing you which way to pull. So you just put it in there. That was 30 times. Yeah, you can feel that edge. I think it'd probably need a few more. It'll make a feather stick though. So, I mean, yeah, these little tools come in handy. I mean, you can sharpen a knife on the bottom of a coffee cup, for Christ's sake, if it's ceramic, you know. But they have a purpose. I would definitely carry that. That right there, as small as that is, that takes up very little pack space in a backpack or something like that. And it's multi-purpose. You know, like I said, it's got a ferro rod, you know, all that stuff. I don't know how well I would trust the compass. Most of these little compasses like that, to me, they're just gimmicky, and you know, you got a 50-50 chance. But these things they got a place, whether it's, like I said, tackle box. I think I was actually keeping this one in my my hunting backpack to tune my knife up if I needed to. You know, I've used all these, but I've since moved on to things that I consider better. In all reality, these things right here are probably just as good as just a ceramic with, you know, a piece of antler on the back. But a piece of antler on the back of a ceramic rod looks cool when you pull it out in front of people. Who cares about being cool? We need function. That's what we need. Anyway, I just thought I'd share this with you, and I'm curious, do you use any of these kind of tools? Comment down below and let me know, or heck, go out in the backyard and make a video and show people, you know, show people what you use. Or maybe some of these you've got laying in a drawer somewhere that you hadn't used in a long time, because like me, you've kind of moved on to newer, neater kind of things. Anyway, y'all go check out Magnus Anderson on YouTube, and check out some of his videos. He's over in Sweden. Pretty cool guy. Real smart. Knows a lot about outdoors and stuff like that. Real smart dude. Y'all go check him out on YouTube. Anyway, this is Price. Peace. I'm out. Y'all be cool.